Once you build aligned frequency and vibration, then your action brings very powerful response from outside energies. Pranam. Prayers for you and your loved ones. For today's session, we are taking a very important and powerful question. We will discuss about yoga and awakening. How awakening is your ultimate purpose? Why the goal is so big? Why awakening is considered as the most powerful dynamic goal of our life? And how yoga can help you to achieve this goal. Now for this, first we need to observe our own life, the way how we are living. And then we need to accept that whatever we are doing, it's happening as per the impact of outside energies. You start your day, you have so many plans. You want to go to your office at right time, you want to finish certain project at right time, you have important meeting, you want to finish them at right time. Then you have special plans for your day, for your family, for your people. But when you conclude, when you finish your day, you observe that almost everything depends on outside response or reaction. So the plan what you made requires the involvement of outside energy, or we can say it requires the response of external forces. If they are not favorable, all your plans, they will go here and there. You will not be able to achieve anything. Everything depends on outside response. And when you talk about yoga for awakening, this system helps you to connect with these outside energies in such a way that your goal, your purpose gets achieved, it gets fulfilled because of your new pattern. So first point which we need to receive when we talk about yoga for awakening is how you work and change your pattern. So yoga helps you to change your pattern. Once you build aligned frequency and vibration, then your action brings very powerful response from outside energies. Success in our life is the outcome of combination of both. You, the action person, and the energies as a reaction. So both need to be together. So our first goal in yoga to move towards the higher purpose, towards awakening, should be to align ourselves, to align our frequency in such a way that we build a new dynamic pattern. What is the meaning of this new dynamic pattern? Let's take an example. Suppose you are sitting and a mosquito comes and bites you, and you realize that a mosquito bit you. You start searching, where is the mosquito? You start worrying about why the mosquito bit you, only you. Why you need to suffer? Why this problem came to you? So you started searching this mosquito all over. This is one aspect. And the second aspect can be a mosquito bit you. You realized that I have some problem, and you did some cure. You relaxed yourself and you moved on with your journey, your life. The first person who is searching the mosquito, his whole life will go in that. And imagine you are able to find that mosquito. Do you think you will be able to communicate with mosquito? You will be able to find out why this mosquito did this to you? And for our surprise, we will not get any answer. So it is pure waste of energy, pure waste of life, pure waste of time. But second person who was not worried about why mosquito bit you, who is not worried about why things are happening like this. He is concerned with the solution. Oh, this happened to me, then I should bring some solution. And then I need to focus on my journey, my life. I should not move out, come back. When we start moving out without strong pattern, without good understanding of our own action, we waste our time, we waste our life. So, yoga helps you to build and align a powerful pattern. This can be our first achievement through yoga. Now, from here, you need to accept that your body is your powerful machine. You need to accept that your body is the dynamic machine which is helping you to live your life and to plan for your next step. This is our first achievement through yoga. We are able to build a foundation. Pattern meaning foundation. Now from here, next step should be our body. So second point which you need to plan is how you can build your body which helps you to move towards this powerful goal of awakening. Yoga and awakening. So from here, the journey is to conclude this part. And what is awakening? As we discussed a small story that mosquito is biting you, then you're searching the mosquito, or mosquito bit you and you're not worried about that. You are doing the solution. Working on solution meaning awakening. When you prepare yourself for all the solution, the way how you entered on planet Earth, what you need to do here, why you are living the way how you are living, what should be your next step, next goal. We will talk about death in future, but for our today's question, it needs to be understood that death is uncertain. So if I die now, then what will happen? Bringing solution to each and everything is awakening. So second step is I'm working with my body. Working with my body in such a way that my body becomes my tool to move towards this divine purpose. If body is not strong and you are working in all other aspects of life, tomorrow, imagine you achieved everything, but the body is not strong, body is not healthy. Then what is the use of all these achievements? You have so much of wealth. You achieved all your goals. You achieved all your projects. What is the use of these achievements if you are not able to enjoy them? You are sick on bed, you are in pain, but you have so much of wealth. What is the use? So yoga, what yoga will give you, what yoga will do now? Yoga will help you to work on your body in a systematic manner. When we say systematic process, we talk about the movement which helps you to build your inner energy mechanism. And in these practices, you can go deep with the system of meditation. You can go deep with your breathing, your breath practice, pranayama. You can learn practices like healing walk, Siddha walk. You can understand the dynamics of asana, how this works on your body, how asana can be a formula to transform your body to convey something special to the universe. So practice of asana, practice of special spiritual techniques like healing, Siddha walk, Siddhoham Kriya, or going deep with the meditations like seed meditation, reflection, pratibimba dhyan, meditations like tratak. So tratak itself is an ocean. More you go deep in this meditation process, more you will be able to find the pearls of this universe. How universe is ready to give you more and more and more. So connecting with these practices to build your body. And once your body is strong, then journey becomes easy. It is very much like you have a good vehicle for your journey. If you choose a bad vehicle, distance remains the same, but experience will be poor, but the experience will be bad. But if you have good vehicle, again the distance remains the same, but you will not know how fast you reached and how easily you were able to conclude your journey. So body is our ultimate vehicle. We need to work on this. So second point, we need to focus on body. You build the pattern, this is our first point. You build your body, this is our second point. Now connecting these two, that's what we need to understand. That's what we need to work for. And this is our next chapter. So in future, we will discuss about how the new pattern and the vehicle, they are used to work towards awakening. Awakening is a very mysterious subject. Different system, different minds, they prepare their own mechanism, they prepare their own process to achieve awakening. And it is important for us to start this journey as early as possible. Sometime we enjoy life from outside. It is something like you are seeing a big mall and you like some cloth, you like something very special, but you are seeing it from outside. Awakening is about you going in, and what you like, you can feel it, you can touch, and if you want, you can keep it, you can have it. So awakening is not about disconnecting you from life. Awakening is about connecting with the true purpose of your existence. So this is for the day. With more questions, more training, we'll connect soon. You all take care of yourself, keep practicing and keep growing. Namo Himalaya.